Okay, so this video is about installing Plant UML. Okay, so in IntelliJ, we can install Plant UML quite easily because it's a plugin. So if you want to install, you just need to go to Settings, Plugins, and install, select Marketplace and Plant UML. Install these two, Plant UML for idea and Plant UML parser. I am accept the terms. Install this one as well. Okay. And once we have finished installing these two, we have to restart IDE. So let me apply all the changes and restart. And we have processed left, so we should, since we should terminate. Right. We should terminate. Now we're restarting IntelliJ. Alright. And now Plant UML should be active. Okay. So if I want, let's say I want to create UML diagram for this set of code, the polymorphism example, and just right click and do the Plant UML parser. And then select the image. Main. Put the name and it will put in the project file. And you select the field modifier you want to show. You can select the Java version. Choose the latest one that's available. Right. So I'll generate Plant UML now. So this is generating the code for Plant UML, but our plugin will also generate the picture. Okay? Which, this is in the form that isn't linear picture. So we should save diagram as a PNG file. Right? The default save is not a PNG. It's .puml, which is text. If we want to save as a PNG file, we have to right-click and select Save Diagram. And I'll save within the project folder. Alright, so it appears here, which can be opened with Explorer, and then double click to open the image viewer. Okay.